Dongguan, China, is known as world-famous factory and hardware city. In this vibrant city, there is a hardware manufacturing factory. Dongguan Kangsheng Hardware was founded in 2003. The company has two modern factories with a total area of more than 14,000 square meters, more than 150 employees, and a monthly production capacity of more than 5 million products. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production, electroplating, sales, and after-sales service. Over the years, the company has continuously invested in advanced production equipment and introduced senior engineers, from product research and development, mold setup, die casting, fine grinding, professional polishing, accurate assembly, eco-friendly electroplating, strict quality inspection to packaging. Each link has professional technical and quality personnel to maintain the highest quality standards. The company has professional domestic and foreign business teams to provide customers with one-stop product customization services. For more than 20 years, they have been striving for perfection in quality, and now it has become the leader of industry's quality standards. The company has an advanced and perfect production ERP management system and a complete set of hardware detection and experimental equipment, and each production process is displayed in real time to ensure that orders are completed on time and product quality meets customer requirements. The company has sequentially obtained prestigious certifications including ISO 9001:2015, SGS, BV, TUV, and others. Products comply with environmental standards set up by the US, the EU, and the international norms, and raw materials have obtained Global Recycling Standard certification. Do not forget your innovative mind, bearing in mind the mission. Dongguan Kangsheng is practicing its ingenious promise every step forward. The details of each product show humanity and practicality and meets high demands and standards of customers with unsurpassed quality. The company's products cover high-end handbags and luggage hardware accessories, leather hardware accessories, clothing, shoes and hats hardware accessories, metal gifts, handicrafts, and other fields. Dongguan Kangsheng, with its excellent product quality, reasonable price, and perfect after-sales service, has exported its products to more than 100 countries and regions around the world, and has been well received and highly regarded by customers at home and abroad. Dongguan Kangsheng pursues the ultimate innovation, adheres to the path of quality, and strives to forge ahead for the construction of innovative hardware enterprises, surpassing all the way, winning the future together, leading the future.